Rohan was a 12-year-old boy living in a small Indian village. The roads were dusty, the houses were small, and the school had only two classrooms. But Rohan had big dreams. Every day he would sit under the neem tree after school and stare at the sky, imagining a better life in a city with a good job, helping his parents, and speaking fluent English like the people he saw on TV. But there was one problem. He couldn't understand or speak English, not even simple words. When the English teacher spoke in class, Rohan would look down, feeling lost. Other students laughed at him when he tried to read. "You will never get a good job," they teased. Slowly, Rohan began to believe them. One day, Rohan's father took him to the city for a relative's wedding. It was his first time outside the village. He saw tall buildings, cars, and people speaking English everywhere. At the wedding, a boy his age came and asked, "What's your name?" Rohan froze. He didn't understand the question. Everyone laughed. That moment hurt him deeply. That night, he cried quietly in the corner of the room. He felt small. "Why can't I speak English?" he asked himself. But that night also changed something. In that pain, a small spark lit up inside him. Rohan decided, no matter what, he would learn English. Not for others, for himself. Back in the village, Rohan didn't have internet, coaching, or money, but he had a cheap second-hand phone his uncle gifted him. He began watching free YouTube videos quietly, sitting near the field where the network worked best. He wrote down every new word he heard. Apple, water, run, go. He made small flashcards and stuck them near his bed. Every night before sleeping, he read them out loud. He started talking to himself in English, even if it was wrong. "I am boy, I go school, I eat food." His friends laughed at him again. Even his mother said, "What are you doing?" "Speak properly in Hindi." But Rohan didn't stop. He had a dream to speak confidently one day. After months of hard work, something beautiful began to happen. Rohan understood English words and songs. He could read short stories. And one day, when a new student came to his school from the city, the teacher asked, "Can anyone welcome him in English?" For the first time, Rohan raised his hand. Everyone went silent. Rohan stood up and said slowly, "Hello. My name is Rohan. Welcome to our school. We are happy to have you." The class clapped. The teacher smiled. Rohan's eyes filled with tears, not of sadness, but of joy. He went home and hugged his father. "One day I will speak English fluently," he said. His father said, "I believe you, beta." Rohan is still learning. He still makes mistakes, but he's not afraid anymore. He knows learning a new language is not about being perfect. It's about trying again and again. And just like Rohan, there are thousands of boys and girls in India, in villages, towns, and cities, who feel the same fear, who feel ashamed. But the truth is, you are not alone. If Rohan can do it, so can you. This YouTube channel is made for students like Rohan, for people like you. Together, we will learn, slowly, step by step, with stories, with practice, and with love. Start your journey today, because your future is waiting, and it speaks English.